Welcome. Today we're diving into Django, one of the most popular web frameworks in the world. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, this video will guide you through Django's essentials, its unique features, and how it can help you build robust web applications quickly. We'll start with the basics, explore its core components, and see why so many developers choose Django for their projects. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of what Django is and how it can accelerate your web development journey. Let's get started and unlock the power of Django together. Django is a high-level Python web framework that encourages rapid development and clean, pragmatic design. It was created to help developers take applications from concept to completion as quickly as possible. With Django, you get a set of ready-to-use components that handle much of the hassle of web development, allowing you to focus on writing your app without reinventing the wheel. Its philosophy is all about making web development fast, secure, and scalable. Let's see what makes Django stand out among other frameworks. At its core, Django is built on the principles of reusability, rapid development, and the don't repeat yourself, dry philosophy. This means you can use pre-built modules and focus on what makes your project unique. Django structure encourages clean code and efficient workflows, making it a favorite among developers who value productivity and maintainability. By following these principles, Django helps you avoid common pitfalls and keeps your codebase organized as your project grows. Django is written in Python, which is known for its readability and simplicity. This makes Django accessible to both beginners and experienced developers. Python's vast ecosystem of libraries and tools integrates seamlessly with Django, allowing you to extend your applications with ease. Whether you're building a simple blog or a complex enterprise system, Django leverages Python's strengths to deliver powerful web solutions. Django uses the model template view, MTV architecture, which is similar to the popular MVC pattern. In the setup, the model handles your data, the template manages how information is presented, and the view controls the logic. This separation of concerns makes your code more organized and easier to maintain. Understanding the MTV pattern is key to mastering Django, as it forms the backbone of every Django project. Django models are Python classes that define the structure of your database. They allow you to describe your data, set relationships, and enforce rules all in Python code. Django automatically creates the necessary database tables for you, saving time and reducing errors. With models, you can easily query, update, and manage your data, making database interactions straightforward and efficient. Templates in Django are responsible for rendering HTML pages. They allow you to separate your design from your business logic, making it easier to update the look and feel of your site without touching the backend code. Django's templating language is powerful yet simple, supporting loops, conditionals, and template inheritance. This means you can create dynamic, reusable layouts that keep your website consistent and maintainable. Used in Django are Python functions or classes that process user requests and return responses. They act as the bridge between your models and templates, handling the logic that powers your application. Whether you're displaying a list of blog posts or processing a form submission, views keep your application responsive and interactive. Django's flexible view system lets you organize your code in a way that makes sense for your project. Django's URL routing system maps incoming web requests to the appropriate view functions. This means you can define clean, readable URLs for your application, making it easier for users to navigate and for search engines to index your site. The routing system is highly customizable, allowing you to create complex URL patterns that match your project's needs. With Django, managing your site's navigation is both powerful and intuitive. One of Django's standout features is its built-in admin interface. With just a few lines of code, you get a powerful, customizable dashboard for managing your application's data. The admin interface is automatically generated from your models, allowing you to add, edit, and delete records with ease. This saves developers countless hours and provides a professional backend for any project. Django takes security seriously. It comes with built-in protections against common web vulnerabilities like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and cross-site request forgery. By handling security at the framework level, Django helps you build safer applications without extra effort. Its security features are updated regularly, ensuring your projects stay protected against the latest threats. Django is designed to scale. It powers some of the busiest sites on the internet, handling millions of users and requests efficiently. Its modular design lets you optimize performance as your project grows, and its support for caching, database optimization, and load balancing ensures your site remains fast and responsive. With Django, you can start small and grow big without changing your core architecture. One of Django's main goals is to help you build applications quickly. Its ready-to-use components, such as authentication, admin, and forms, allow you to focus on your unique features instead of boilerplate code. This rapid development cycle is perfect for startups, prototypes, and anyone who wants to get their ideas online fast. Django's documentation and community support make learning and building even easier. Django encourages the creation of reusable apps, self-contained modules that can be plugged into any project. This modular approach means you can build features once and use them across multiple projects, saving time and effort. The Django ecosystem is full of open-source apps for everything from authentication to e-commerce, allowing you to extend your projects with minimal code. Django's Object Relational Mapper, ORM, lets you interact with your database using Python code instead of SQL. This abstraction layer makes database operations safer and more intuitive, reducing the risk of errors. The ORM supports multiple database backends, so you can switch databases without rewriting your code. With Django's ORM, managing data is simple, efficient, and secure. Handling user input is easy with Django's form system. You can create forms, validate data, and display errors, all with minimal code. Django's forms integrate seamlessly with models, allowing you to create powerful data entry interfaces. Built-in validation ensures that only clean, correct data enters your database, improving the reliability of your application. Django comes with a robust authentication system out of the box. It handles user registration, login, logout, and password management, so you don't have to build these features from scratch. The authentication system is secure, customizable, and integrates with other Django components, making it easy to manage users and permissions in your application. Middleware and Django are hooks that process requests and responses globally. They allow you to add functionality like authentication, logging, or security checks to every request without modifying your views. Middleware makes it easy to implement cross-cutting concerns and keep your codebase clean and organized. Django provides tools for managing static files like CSS, JavaScript, and images. Its Static Files app helps you organize, collect, and serve these assets efficiently. This ensures your website looks great and loads quickly, no matter how complex your project becomes. Proper static file management is essential for delivering a polished user experience. Django makes it easy to build multilingual websites. Its internationalization framework lets you translate your site's content, handle different time zones, and format data for users around the world. This global approach helps you reach a wider audience and ensures your application is accessible to everyone. Django comes with a built-in testing framework, making it easy to write and run tests for your application. Automated testing helps you catch bugs early and ensures your code works as expected. Django's test tools integrate with popular testing libraries, so you can maintain high code quality and confidence as your project grows. Django makes it straightforward to build REST-ful APIs, especially with the Django REST framework. This allows you to create powerful backends for web and mobile applications, enabling seamless data exchange. With built-in serialization, authentication, and permission systems, Django is a top choice for API development. Django's template language is designed to be simple yet powerful. It lets you embed dynamic content, use filters, and extend templates for consistent layouts. This flexibility makes it easy to create engaging, interactive web pages while keeping your code clean and maintainable. Django's Signals framework allows different parts of your application to communicate through events. You can trigger actions when certain events occur, like saving a record or user registration. This decouples your code and makes it easier to add new features without changing existing logic. Django lets you create custom management commands to automate tasks like data import, backups, or maintenance. These commands integrate with Django's command line interface, making it easy to manage your project from the terminal. Automating routine tasks saves time and reduces the risk of human error. Django supports a variety of deployment options, from traditional servers to cloud platforms. Its flexibility allows you to choose the best hosting solution for your needs, whether you're running a small blog or a large-scale enterprise site. Django's documentation provides clear guidance for deploying your application securely and efficiently. The Django ecosystem is rich with third-party packages that extend its functionality. From authentication to payment processing, you'll find packages for almost any feature you need. Integrating these packages is straightforward, allowing you to add powerful features without reinventing the wheel. Django boasts a large, active community of developers and contributors. Whether you need help troubleshooting an issue or want to contribute to open-source projects, there's always someone to assist. The community maintains extensive documentation, tutorials, and forums, making it easy to find answers and stay up to date. Django is renowned for its comprehensive and well-organized documentation. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, you'll find clear guides, tutorials, and API references to help you at every stage. Good documentation accelerates learning and ensures you can solve problems quickly. Django is open source, meaning it's free to use and backed by a global community. This fosters innovation, transparency, and rapid improvement. You can contribute to Django's development, report issues, or simply benefit from the collective expertise of thousands of developers worldwide. Django stands out from other web frameworks due to its batteries-included philosophy. While some frameworks require you to assemble many components, Django provides a complete toolkit out of the box. This makes it ideal for developers who want to get started quickly without sacrificing flexibility or power. Django powers a wide range of websites, from news portals and social networks to e-commerce platforms and scientific applications. Its flexibility and scalability make it suitable for projects of any size. Companies like Instagram, Pinterest, and the Washington Post rely on Django to deliver fast, reliable web experiences. Starting with Django is straightforward. You'll need Python installed, and then you can use pip to install Django. The official documentation provides a step-by-step guide to creating your first project, setting up the database, and running the development server. With just a few commands, you'll have a working web application up and running. A typical Django project is organized into apps, each responsible for a specific feature or section of your site. This modular structure keeps your code organized and makes it easy to add new features. Understanding the project layout is key to working efficiently with Django. Django settings file controls everything from database connections to installed apps and middleware. This centralized configuration makes it easy to manage your project's environment and switch between development, testing, and production settings. Keeping your settings organized is essential for smooth project management. Django includes a lightweight development server for testing your application locally. This server lets you see changes in real time and debug issues before deploying to production. Running the server is as simple as a single command, making development fast and convenient. Django's migration system tracks changes to your models and updates the database schema automatically. This makes it easy to evolve your data structures as your project grows. Migrations are version controlled so you can roll back changes if needed, ensuring your database stays in sync with your code. Django's admin interface is highly customizable. You can tailor the dashboard to fit your project's needs, add custom views, and control permissions. This flexibility lets you create a professional backend for clients or team members, streamlining data management and workflow. Django works well with modern front-end tools like React, Vue, or Angular. You can build APIs with Django and connect them to your favorite JavaScript frameworks, creating powerful interactive web applications. This integration gives you the best of both worlds, Django's backend power and modern front-end experiences. Django provides robust debugging tools and clear error messages to help you identify and fix issues quickly. Its error pages display detailed information during development, making troubleshooting straightforward. Proper error handling ensures your application is reliable and user-friendly. Django includes logging features that help you monitor your application's behavior and performance. You can track errors, user activity, and system events, making it easier to maintain and optimize your project. Good logging practices are essential for diagnosing issues and ensuring long-term stability. Django supports various caching strategies to boost your site's speed and reduce server load. You can cache entire pages, specific views, or database queries, ensuring users get fast responses. Proper caching is key to delivering a smooth, high-performance web experience. Django now supports asynchronous programming, allowing you to handle multiple requests simultaneously. This is especially useful for real-time features like chat, notifications, or live updates. Asynchronous support keeps your application responsive and efficient, even under heavy load. Django projects integrate smoothly with continuous integration tools, enabling automated testing and deployment. This streamlines your development workflow, catches issues early, and ensures your code is always production-ready. Continuous integration is a best practice for modern software development. We've now explored the core features and strengths of Django. From its rapid development capabilities to its robust security and scalability, Django is a powerful tool for building modern web applications. Whether you're creating a personal project or a large-scale platform, Django provides the tools and community support you need to succeed. Ready to start your Django journey? Dive into the documentation, experiment with your first project, and join the vibrant Django community. Possibilities are endless.